Hello, welcome. Kamusta kayo dito mga Kapigong Star viewers? Welcome back. I love you guys. So, alamin natin itong mensahe ng universe para sa inyo. Kamusta kayong lahat? I do hope everybody are doing well. Paalala ko lang mga kapatid, pakilakasan na lang po ng volume ng reading na ito dahil hindi ko po gamit ang aking microphone. So, please paki-bluetooth na lang po ng gadgets ninyo whenever you watch this reading. Paalala mga kapatid, ito ay collective reading, general reading. Kunin nyo lang mga kapatid kung saan kayo nakaka-resonate, kung saan kayo naayon sa mga nababanggit ko dito. Kung hindi naman, para po yun sa iba natin mga kapatid dito, nanonood dito sa reading, skip nyo na lang yung iba. If ever na the entire video doesn't resonate you, hindi mo feel, hindi mo ramdam, skip nyo na lang mga kapatid. And wag lang po tayong bitter, meaning sa ibang kapatid natin yun na resonate, or hoping na resonate din ito sa ibang kapatid natin na nanonood dito. Welcome back mga kapatid. I do hope everybody are doing well. So buckle up. This reading is meant to find you, So, yeah. Minsan kasi nagkakapalit-palit yung reading natin. This could be you or sa situation mo, or sa person na ka-deal ninyo. So, again guys, collective po ito. Kunin nyo lang kung saan kayo naayon. Alright? Huwag po tayong bitter. Love, love, love lang po tayo mga kapatid. Spirit Rangers, kamusta ang ating mga collective at this moment? Alright. 10 of Wands. Meron dito, I'm getting like urong sulong. Something bothers you. Siguro maglilipat. Guys, at this moment, kukuhanin ko muna ang inyong situation and energy. So, kung hindi ito sa inyo, kung hindi ito ang pangyari mo ngayon, baka sa ibang kapatid natin nanonood dito. Alright? Wag po tayo magalit agad na, ma'am, hindi po ako ganyan. Hindi po yan ako. Something like that, no? So, meaning, hindi yan sa inyo, sa ibang kapatid natin. Like, again, guys, wag niyo pong lahatin. Alright? So, we have here, 10 of Wands in reverse. Actually, hindi naman talaga ito nagre-reverse. Pagkahawak ko lang reverse siya. But anyway, take this, kunin natin ito as a reverse. And, yeah, meron sa inyo dito na siguro uuwi. Gusto nang umuwi. Homesick. Planong umuwi. Iba dito, somehow is gusto mo mag-abroad, maglalayas, or disconnection. But somehow is you might be afraid of this step. May mga plano ka, kaya lang nakukuhanan ko yung urong sulong. Gustong-gusto mo itong gawin, kaya lang natatakot ka. Natakot ka na this plan might not gonna work. Whatever it is. That could be your situation right now. Yeah, like gustong-gusto mo na talagang gawin ito, kaya lang urong sulong, it's you're not sure yet sa gagawin mo ito. Whatever step or plan, natatakot ka, yung iba dito. I don't know what's holding you back, but this is your situation at this moment. Yung iba dito. Alright, Spirit ka rin dyan sa lupa. Alright. Page of Cups. This could be LDR. This could be you na gusto mo makipag-break up, lumayo. Masakit sa iyo naman. Meron na kasi ditong LDR na masakit sa iyo ang sitwasyon na ito na mapalayo sa person mo or family member or loved ones. You might be constantly or lately, like again, homesick. Namimiss mo ang mga mahal mo sa buhay, or specifically, you have been thinking about this person. It could be your partner. Like again, meron tayo ditong LDR. Nalulungkot ka dahil sa sitwasyon mo ngayon na malayo kayo. And I think you are looking for or seeking something about like, you are seeking about comfort. Gusto mo mararamdaman itong pagmamahal. Like again, namimiss mo. Naalala mo yung dati na magkasama kayo. Like again, meron kasing distance dito eh. This could be your ex. Siguro iniwan ka ng taong ito. And you are longing. Maybe you are longing for this person, very specific. Namimiss mo ang taong ito. Like again, meron itong relationship. Namimiss mo. Or this could be your loved ones, partnership. Or you could be still thinking about the past. Yung iba dito, you are still longing. Naalala or namimiss mo siya, or specifically, ito ang laman ng iyong isipan. This person who you really care, Or meron kasi itong iniwan ka siguro ng taong ito at namimiss mo. Yeah, friendship. Siguro namimiss mo itong taong ito. Meron kasi dito na nagkakaroon ka siguro ng idea na maggagala kayo or something about na, yeah, invitation, party, or may bibisitahin ka siguro. Like again, it could be involved sa pera, yung iba dito. I'm sorry guys ha, gagawin ko po ang lahat para makuha itong mga energy na kukuha ko para sa inyo. This is itong energy mga kapatid, ito yung pangyayari mo ngayon. If this is not you, sa ibang kapatid natin ito. Alright? Like again, meron kasi dito na siguro you might be stressed or laman ng iyong isipan na aalis kayo, may pupuntahan ka, dadaluhan ka, kaya lang may LDR or masyadong malayo, kaya hindi ka makakapunta, hindi ka makaka-attend. Yung iba naman, hindi ka makaka-attend dahil siguro sa pera, no? Yeah, something about like may pupuntahan. Related ito sa distance, malayo siguro ito, or like again, it could be party, invitation, or anong tawag dito, dadaluhang party, yeah, salo-salo, family reunion could be, whatever it is, no? Yeah, siguro yung iba dito, very specific, ito siguro yung laman ng iyong isipan dahil involved siguro sa pera. You might be dealing about crisis. Hindi mo alam kung makakapunta ka ba, dahil ang dami mong mga rason, no? Of course, mag-i-enjoy ka naman dito, together with the family, together with friends, kaya lang involved sa pera. Dahil lately, marami ka mga expenses, no? Maraming paggagastuhan. And yung iba naman, you could be thinking about your person na nakakaramdam ka siguro, or I don't know, you might be spying somebody or thinking about, nakakaramdam ka siguro, no? Or siguro nawawalan ka ng trust. Very specific here yung iba dito. It could be relationship, friendship, whatever guys, co-worker, family member, siguro nagkakaroon ka ng palaisipan na this person might be betraying you. You could be dealing about betrayal. Maybe until now, you are still in pain. You want to forgive this person about this betrayal. You want to know the whole truth, yung iba dito. Kaya lang, you are trying your best to move forward or pinapakita mo siguro na wala kang care or you don't care about this person or nakapag-move on ka na. Like again, this could be about the past, the person na binitray ka or iniwan ka sa ere or ginos ka. But then again, you are still longing. You want to know the truth or behind the scene. You want to know ano ba talaga nangyari. But then again, it's just like, it's all about you. I don't know, somehow is siguro bored ka, yung iba dito. Pagka siguro nag-iisa ka, or siguro before ka matulog, ito yung laman ng isipan mo, no? Napapaisip mo yung mga taong minamahal mo, like looking back from the past, yung iba dito, yung iba naman is dealing about emotionally baggage, no? Or siguro sumusobra ka ngayon sa pag-iisip, no? Or mentally distress yung iba dito. I'm sorry guys ha, if this is what you're dealing right now. This could be you, yung iba dito. Yung iba naman, you're trying your best to be happy, always thinking about positive and focusing on affirmation. That is good guys, mga kapatid. If ever na nagkaroon kayo ng mga challenges, problema, feeling down, I think you need to distract yourself, yung iba dito. Focusing about the bright side. Mag-isip tayo ng ibang bagay na makapagpapasaya sa atin. Like yung iba nating mga kapatid dito na that's what they're doing right now. Focusing on a positive side. Affirmation. No? Prayer. Meditation. I think dapat ganun ang gawin natin. Instead na mag-focus tayo sa mga nakaraan or mga negatibong pag-iisip. Kasi minsan, siguro, nakakaroon tayo ng mga challenges. Sabihin natin na lack of, lack of an energy, ano? Feeling down. Siguro may mga blockages dito. Like again guys, minsan kasi may mga bagay or may mga time talaga no na mga ups and down natin na hindi natin kayang i-handle. Kaya minsan parang gusto mo na mawala sa mundong ito, nakakaisip ka ng hindi maganda, or like again, feeling down. And I think it's best for you guys na to distract yourself, no? Lumabas kayo ng bahay, keep communicating with your loved ones kahit na may mga LDR. Pag nakakaramdam kayo guys ng homesick, feeling down, I think you need to distract yourself. Like again, yung ibang kapatid natin dito nanonood, yan din ang ginagawa, which is good. I'm so proud of you. Yung iba naman na feeling down or longing for something from the past, I think you need to focus on your future, sa career, whatever for your future, no, na it will bring you, to enlighten you. No? Yeah. Or like again, distractions. I think it's best for you to go out, hang out with your friends, go for this, I don't know, like, nature walk, or siguro yung trabaho mo is related sa mga nature, something na distractions, no, or think positive. Yes, yung mga downside natin, downfall, those are just part of our challenges. Dadaan lang po ito at lilipas ng mga kapatid. Continue praying, believe in God, and believe in yourself. Kaya mo ito, alright? So far, ito yung mga pangyayari ngayon. Whoever watched this reading, this could be you. So, if ever na wala kayong, o hindi nyo resonate itong nabanggit ko, meaning hindi ito para sa inyo. Alright? So, this could be your situation at this moment. So, alamin natin kung sino tong tao na kadil mo ngayon na parang halos mabaliw. Mabaliw sa kakaisip sa'yo or mabaliw. I don't know what is this person about. Bakit siya halos mabaliw sa inyo? Alright, Spirit Guardian, just who is this person na halos mabaliw sa ating mga collective? This could be love reading, work, relationship, finances. Okay, halos mabaliw sa inyo. So we have here Gemini, Taurus, number 1. Could be January on the 1st. I don't know. Kaya na nakakaalam. Aquarius, but this person been thinking about you crazy. Capricorn, it could be somebody na gusto mag-walk out. Like again guys, minsan nagkaka-reverse, no? Yung energy natin, this could be you or the person you're dealing right now. Aquarius, again, dalawang Aquarius. So confirm, Aquarius, halos mabaliw sa kakaisip sa inyo or sa inyong sitwasyon. Cancer. Okay, number 7 or letter T. Somehow nakukuha ko yung letter T. Could be your teacher. Okay, number 2. It could be July. Again, this could be your zodiac sign. Or this could be your person. Scorpio. Okay. Cancer, Capricorn, Scorpio, Libra. So, these are the people halos mabaliw sa inyo. Alamin natin kung bakit halos mabaliw ang taong ito sa inyo. Alright, Spirit Guardian, just what's the reason bakit halos mabaliw ang taong ito sa ating mga collective? The reason. Alright, ang dami-dami. Bakit nga ba? Halos mababaliw ang taong ito dahil you could be like a teacher about justice. I'm getting like you always being fair. Halos mababaliw ang taong ito dahil napaka-secretive mo. Gusto niya malaman kung anong totoo. I don't know what it is. Like, you guys are very knowledgeable, psychic. Yung iba dito, napaka-psychic, intuitive. You could be a healer or tarot reader. Halos mabaliw siya. Siguro, if you are a reader, no? Or something about like, you know a lot of knowledge. Marami kang alam. So, nababaliw siguro itong taong ito, obsessed, dahil marami kang alam, or, like again, this person might believe in you. Like one of your fan, no? So, halos mababaliw siya. You could be a social influencer, social media influencer. You could be like again, you are so knowledgeable. Maraming nagpa-follow sa iyo, maraming nanonood sa inyo, and yes, you're like a mysterious, napaka-mysterious mong tao. You're like a leader type. Kaya halos mababaliw ang taong ito sa kakaisip sa inyo because they want to be like you, how to move forward, how to heal. Like again, you help these people. Marami kang natutulungan. Yeah. Like again, halos mabaliw ang taong ito dahil you guys are stable, no? And maybe this person sent you a message, a sign. So, pay attention mga kapatid. You could be psychically active, yung iba dito. So, you might be receiving a sign. Yes, and maybe this person sending you a message or a help. And yung iba dito, like again, you guys are very independent. Napaka-independent mong tao, kaya na halos mababaliw ang taong ito. No? Obsessed. How to be like you. How to be stable like you. How to be so strong. Like again, a lot of people admiring you. Maraming mga taong gustong masira ka. They want you down. But you are still strong. Stay strong. Napaka malakas mong tao. Kahit anong mga challenges ang dumadaan sa iyong buhay, andyan ka pa rin. Mas lalo kang naging matatag. No? You are still sitting on your throne. You're like a queen, a king, like an emperor. Yes, an empress. You are so nurturing. Kahit may mga anak ka, kung may mga anak ka, no? You stay stable. Mas lalo kang gumaganda, gumagwapo. Like again, how to be like you. Kaya halos mababaliw ang taong ito sa inyo. Napaka-nurturing, stable, intuitive, healing. Paano ka nakapag-move on? Paano ka nakapag-move on sa lahat ng mga struggle, sa mga pagsubok, sa paghihirap? Andyan ka pa rin, oh. You're sitting on your throne. Hindi ka naaaninag. Anong tawag dito? Nagpapatinag. I'm sorry, guys. Some people, someone very specific wants to make love with you. Yes, maybe somebody's thinking about you making love. This could be your partner right now, LDR, or maybe very specific, no, kung may kapartner ka na malayo or pupunta lang ng trabaho or somehow is nagkakaroon ka ng distance. Your partner right now always thinking about you, nababaliw siya sa kakaisip sa iyo. Madly in love with you. Yes, your partner is really into you. Siguro minsan nagkakaroon siya ng haka-haka na pagsiselos. You might be looking for someone else. You might be dealing with a person na napakasiloso. Yes, maybe your person might be thinking about siguro nakakaramdam din siya ng like again pagsiselos dahil nga insecure, no, siguro yung iba dito. And nakakaramdam siguro siya na baka may iba ka, no? Or may tinatago ka siguro. Something about na may tinatago ka siguro na yan ang nararamdaman niya. Guys, if this is about relationship, whatever, no? I think it's best na to make sure na i-confront nyo na lang ang person ninyo. Kasi, like again, this person is halos mababaliw siya sa kakaisip nito sa inyo, whatever it is. Kasi meron itong haka-haka or nagsiselos dahil baka may iba ka. I think you have to make sure na tell your partner na wala ka namang tinatago, but this person think na may tinatago ka. Whatever it is, no? Itong tinatago mo. Yeah. Alright, I guess yung iba dito, maybe binitray ka na dito ng taong ito. The person na binitray ka noon, and like again, guys, hindi ko naman kayo masisisi, no, kung nabitray ka na ng taong ito. Binackstab. Kaya nawalan ka na ng trust or nagkakaroon ka ng mga trust issue. That's why you would rather to keep yourself away from this toxic people, or it's like masking. No, nagkukunwaring mabuti ang ano nila sa inyo, but you know the truth. Dahil nakakaramdam ka. Napaka-intuitive mo. And that's okay. Let them be crazy about you. At wala namang mawawala sa inyo dahil nga binitray ka na. And that's why these people wants to know more about you, or anong ganap mo. Anong mga sikreto mo. Bakit ka lumalayo or nagkakaroon ng distance sa kanya. It could be a group of people, kasi nakakaramdam ako ng a group of people, maybe people judging you dahil nabuntis ka or naging single parent ka, and nakapag-move on ka na. And these people talk about you, yeah, dahil bakit mo siya iniwan, bakit mas pinili mo manahimik, kasi meron ditong silent treatment. Whoever that you are dealing right now, people talking about you, and parang halos mababaliw sila sa paglayo mo sa kanya or group of people. Sa kakaisip, what's the reason? Meron kasi dito nagmamaang-maangan. Kaya nga, mas pinili mong magpakalayo, mananahimik. Or it could be breakup situation. Dahil ayaw mo na. And I think this is best for you guys. Keep going. Keep moving forward. Stay strong. Hayaan mo silang mainggit. Hayaan mo silang maghahabol sa'yo. Kasi meron ditong, these people are always talking about your behind your back. Kung bakit mo sila iniwan. Like again, alam mo na hindi sila naging totoo sa inyo. mas nagiging totoo ka pa sa kanila or sa kanya. These people wasted your love, no? Naging totoo ka, minahal mo siya, minahal mo sila, naging totoo ka sa kanila, naging honest ka, kaya lang, itong mga taong ito is, nagiging judgment. May mga inggit, betrayal, backstabber, ilang beses ka nang inaapak-apakan ng mga taong ito, but you know, you want the truth. You always speak the truth. Minsan nahihiya ka pa. Ikaw pa ang nahihiya sa kanila, sa mga pinaggagawa nila sa inyo. But these people, siguro ilang beses na, it could be relationship din, betrayal, or whatever this person done. This is very specific. I think this person, or people, it could be third party yung iba dito. Nakailang beses nang humihingi ng tulong ang taong ito, but ilang beses mo na rin silang pinagbigyan, forgiveness, but still, no? Sinasaktan ka pa rin nila. Kinukulong ka pa rin siguro. Hindi ka siguro satisfied na. Or, like again, you have this awaken. Ten of Pentacles. Lahat ginagawa ng mga taong ito para ma-please ka. Like again, meron nagsisisi dito. And that's why these people crazy about you. Dahil may mga feeling dahil sa pinagagawa nilang hindi maganda, betrayal. They're doing their best. It could be a family member, Like again, guys, mixed energy tayo dito. Ginagawa nila ang best nila para ipakita nila na naging truthful sila sa inyo. Or ang taong ito sa inyo. Kaya lang, hindi ko rin naman kayo masisisi. That's why you remain silent. Nananahimik ka lang. Mas naging mapagmatsyag ka. It takes time and effort para ma-receive nila ang iyong forgiveness, or, yeah. Kaya ang mga taong ito, halos magpapakaluhod na para maibalik muli ang iyong trust. Well, it's still up to you, mga kapatid, kasi meron naman dito na, sising-sisi sa ginawa nila sa inyo. They want to bring that memories or back, para maibalik yung nakaraan. Kaya lang, of course, yung trust na nasira na, it's still up to you, mga kapatid. Yes. And that's why these people are crazy about you. How to bring that back memory. Yung mga nakaraan. Alright? Yeah. And, kailangan talaga, they need to receive that, or it's like an urn, no? You gotta make sure na, para maibalik yung nakaraan, or yung trust ninyo, dapat maging totoo talaga sila sa inyo, no? Hindi yung isang bagay lang na ginawa nila sa inyo ay maibalik na agad. Hindi basta-basta na ibabalik yung trust. Yeah. Okay. Ano pa? What these people thinking about you right now? How these people thinking about you right now? Why they were crazy about you? This could be relationship and family or work. Kasi meron tayong about related sa money. Or, yeah. Like again, guys, throne. Your potential is endless. Like again, guys, meron kasi ditong nagsisisi. Dahil ang laki mong tulong. You are this, like, friendly. Like again, marami kang mga bagay na naibigay na tulong sa taong ito. Healing, financially support, emotionally support. Like again, kaya nga na-obsess ang taong ito sa inyo. Meron naman dito nagsisisi. Huli na nang ma-realize nila na malaking tulong ka pala sa kanya or sa kanila. That's why they are trying their best to get your trust again. Well, it's still up to you. Dahil nagkakaroon ka ng mga trust issue. That's why you remain silent. Lumayo ka sa mga taong toxic. Relationship na toxic. Like again, you are standing your ground. You became so attractive, reliable, knowledgeable. Mas naging tuso ka na, matalino ka na. And meron kasi itong awaken. Alam mo kung sino ka. Mas naging independent ka pa. May mga realization ka na kaya mo naman pala kahit wala itong mga tao sa paligid mo. It could be a support from these people. Yes. Okay, ano pa? What are these people plan towards you in the future? Okay, they are manifesting you. Itong taong ito, obsessed na obsessed, manifesting you na maibalik ka o magkabalikan kayo or maibalik yung trust, tiwala. Yes, the High Priestess, you guys are very knowledgeable. Wow. You got it all. They want to be like you. These people are obsessed. Na-obsessed sila sa iyong katapangan, kagandahan, katalinuhan. You could be more stable, mayaman, laging nagta-travel. They want to be like you. They want to be what you have. Kung anong meron ka, minamanifest din nila. Kaya yun nga lang, di ba? Again, may mga trust issue ka na. Hindi na pwedeng agad-agad maibalik yung mga nakaraan. Dahil mas naging matapang ka pa. Mas nagiging stable ka pa. Mga realization mo na kaya mo naman pala ito kahit mag-isa ka. Kahit wala sila sa buhay mo. Kaya nga minamanifest ng mga taong ito na maibalik ka sa buhay nila. Yung tiwala mo. You might be traveling around the world. Like again, nakikita nilang stable ka. A lot of people believe in you. Kaya may na-stress din dito. Na-stress sila dahil they can't. Meron kasi ditong hindi nila kaya na wala ka sa buhay nila. Or hindi niya kayang wala ka sa buhay niya. May mga late realization. Meron naman ditong madly in love with you. It could be ex. Dahil iniwan mo siya, no? No communication. But this person from the past manifesting you na sana, no? Sana may magbabalik ka pa sa buhay niya. Meron itong love, friendship, partner, coworker, could be schoolmate, na sana magbabalik ka pa, sana may balik yung nakaraan. And that's why this person is manifesting you. Want you back. Well, it's still up to you, mga kapatid. Alright, alamin natin for last, how you feel about these people. Kasi meron dito na alam mo na who these people are. Spirit and Angels, anong nararamdaman ng ating mga collective sa taong ito? Currently feelings ng mga collective natin sa taong ito. Eight of Pentacles. I think you are just too busy about your finances, your career, your future. Lingid sa iyong kaalaman, itong mga taong pala obsessed pala sa iyo. Halos mababalik sa kakaisip sa iyo. I think you are just focusing on your future, your career. Maybe you don't care about this past, these people, kasi binitray ka na. Yung iba dito. Yes, judgment. You know the truth. You always speak the truth. You are high-spirited. Yes. High Priestess. Like again, guys, you already move on. Nakapag-move on ka na sa mga taong ito. Yung iba dito, you don't care about these people. Kasi nabitray ka na Yeah. Yung iba naman dito, you always dreaming about your family. Happy family, reunited with the family. Pero naman dito na, dito ka focus sa stability. Sumusuporta ka sa pamilya mo, sa mga anak mo, kung may mga anak ka, or sa studies mo. Like again, focusing on your future, stability. Dito ka nag-focus ngayon, hindi sa nakaraan. And that's good for you, mga kapatid. I'm so proud of you. Yeah, those people who betrayed you, or from the past, yeah, it takes time para makapag-move on. Like again, nakapag-move on ka na dito. Kaya lang itong mga taong ito ay parang, it could be karma, kaya nga, binabalik-balik sa kanilang mga nakaraan. May mga realization na mali pala sila. Yeah, they have to earn your trust, no? That trust to get back. Like again, it's up to you, mga kapatid. And I'm so proud of you. So, yes or no na tayo bago mag-end ang reading na ito. So, ask any question, guys, and the answer will be yes or no. Pause nyo muna, mag-meditate, and magtanong ng sagot, ng tanong, and then the answer will be yes or no. Could be maybe, yung iba. Alright, ready? Yeah. Yung iba dito, nababaliw sa kakaisip sa inyo dahil gusto humingi ng tulong, kaya lang, like again, may mga utang siguro na hindi nabayaran at nasira, no, ang inyong, that trust, yeah, dahil hindi ginawa or hindi tinupad yung tiwala or yung ang tawag nito, yeah, itong promise ng taong ito. So, that's why, you are done helping this person or magpapautang, magpapahiram or tumulong. Dahil binitray ka ng taong ito. Hindi ginawa yung promise. Alright. Spirit ka rin just yes or no sa ating mga collective. Maybe. We have here maybe. So, yung iba dito sa inyo, the answer here is maybe. It could be yes or no. So, final advice. Spirit Guide Angels, final advice sa ating mga collective. Final advice, message, healing, healed, healer. Like again, you guys are healer. Yes, psychically gifted. Healing energy surrounds you in this situation. So you finally move on. Most of you here, nakapag-move on na sa taong ito, sa sitwasyon na ito. Your life, you will be feeling like moving forward, no? Like something about like enlightened. Like again, guys, wag na tayo mag-focus sa mga nakaraan, sa mga past. Focus about positivity. So distract yourself and it's time to heal. Karamihan sa inyo dito, nakapag-move on na, you are already healing. So you receive this healing energy from the universe. Okay? Winter. The answers to your prayers and affirmations are fully realized in the winter month. So yung iba dito sa inyo, you will be receiving an answered prayer during winter time. Yes, it could be started December, January, February, or November. It could be early yung iba dito, November. Kaya meron tayo ditong 7. Yeah, this could be January, February, yung iba dito, that is winter time. Yes, baka yung iba sa inyo dito, could be, baka late na, no? Could be July, yung iba dito. Like again, guys, itong mga number, it could be months, weeks, hours. Yes. So, I do hope makaresonate kayo sa mga nabanggit ko dito, ano? Meron tayo itong answered prayers. January, February, or July, or could be month, weeks, or time. Like again, guys, good luck and congratulations. There will be answered prayers sa inyo dito from the universe. You will have this realization, awakening. Alright, so I love you guys. Keep moving forward and stay positive. And good luck.